Welcome to PPLLUV Process, home of open source creativity. Every week we showcase a video that documents the holistic creative process and everything in between. This allows you to glean insights and information you can turn around and apply to your own creative context. My name is Glitschka. I've worked in the creative arts industry for over 30 years, and I run my own studio in the Pacific Northwest. We focus on brand-centric design and illustration, or a combination of both we call illustrative design. So whether you're a seasoned veteran like myself, or maybe you're newer to the industry or Adobe Illustrator, you'll be able to glean tactics, insights, and information every week and apply it to your own creative process and grow and improve your skills. Thank you for watching PPLLUV Process. I hope this content improves your own creative process.